Hello and welcome back.
In today's video,
We will know about how you can implement.
CSS and JavaScript directly from WordPress into WordPress page by using one of the best plugins. First of all, we need to install then activate this plugin. We will go to add new plugin. In search plugins bar, we will type WP Coder. Then install now. Then activate. Now we will go through its different menu sections. In all codes section, there is option for add new and find snippet. On the top there are links, you may go through them for related information and tutorial. Using add new, here we can see 5 menu options where codes can be entered. In snippets section we have snippet manager with 3 options as disable snippets, enabled snippets and change snippets. From here you can choose to enable or disable any snippets as per your choice. And then save. In tools sections we have tracking code manager and Google AdSense and some few pro tools. You can upgrade to pro for more extra features. Then we have global PHP for PHP coding. Import export for export import settings. Data can be exported and imported. Then support for sending queries. And then finally upgrade to Pro. In this WordPress sample page we will implement both CSS and JavaScript. For this I have used custom HTML as you can see here. On button click function, my div ID will hide. Without CSS and JS this is how it looks. Moving to WP Coder in all codes section, clicking on add new. Then going to CSS section, pasting the CSS code for my div ID. Any further changes can be done later from here. More settings are given here, one for inline and other minified. It can be enabled. Enabled minified. Clicking on back to codes. Shortcode is ready for CSS. It has to be copy pasted in the HTML coding. And any title name can be given for recognition. Copying the code and pasting in the HTML section area. After refreshing the page, we can see the div block element with given background color. Again coming back to the codes. And this time applying the JavaScript code and entering the JS menu. And below JavaScript code has been entered. In settings you can choose any of these options. It is minified and obfuscated. Now giving title name for identification and record. A URL to the JS file is created and will be visible in the footer. Coming back to the sample page and testing JavaScript. On button click we can see that div block is hidden and visible. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful and knowledgeable. Then do like, share and subscribe.